Everyday Heroes.
Isang truck driver niligtas ang 2 tao mula sa isang nakakatakot na sunog sa freeway.
Work gloves. Work faster, safer, and cleaner with mechanics wear. The tool that fits like a glove.
Whoa. Hang on.
O'Reilly Auto Parts and Napa Auto Parts stores nationwide. Or online at mechanics.com.
I was coming the wrong direction.
America's #1 cable news network.
I'm not.
This is Fox News on Sirius XM 114.
Holy cow. That guy's dead, dude.
Every night this week, we'll be taking a close look at the effects of Obamacare by focusing on how the fiercely independent residents of New Hampshire are dealing with its many changes. My colleague Brett Baer begins tonight by telling us those changes are literally driving many doctors right out of their own office. My name is Dr. Joe Hannon. Joe Hannon has
Isang babae at isang 1-year-old na batang may malaking utang na loob sa isang lalaki matapos silang maligtas mula sa isang bayolenteng pagkamatay nang na-stuck sila sa kanilang kotse na na-T-bone ng isang 18-wheeler na truck. Si David Fredrickson, isang truck driver, ang nauna sa eksena ng aksidente at tinulungan ng 2 na maligtas mula sa malaking sunog na resulta ng banggaan. Nai-record ng kanyang dashcam ang buong insidente. Ang halos 6 na minutong video nagpapakita sa malaking pagsabog at makapal na usok sa kalsada. Isang sasakyan ang dumaan matapos mabaon sa apoy ang maliit na kotse. Pinuntahan ni Fredrickson ang nasusunog na sasakyan, hawak ang isang fire extinguisher. Matapos niyang simulang patayin ang apoy, ay nagsidatingan na rin ang ibang mga tao para tumulong at naligtas ang babae at ang baby.
And 60% believe that Obamacare will have a negative impact on overall patient care.
I think some of the doctors have been worried about something that is not really the doing of the Affordable Care Act.
Ron Pollack, Executive Director of the liberal healthcare advocacy group Families USA, believes the medical...
Nabali ang binti ng babae habang ang ibang mga taong sangkot sa crash ay nagkaroon lamang ng minor injuries. Ang video ay na-upload sa YouTube ng anak ni Fredrickson. Ayon din sa anak ni Fredrickson, ang date stamp ng video ay mali. Nangyari ang aksidente noong August 11 at na-upload ang video sa YouTube noong August 17.
But Dr. Richard Anderson, Chairman and CEO of the Doctors Company, stands by his survey.
My sense in the conversations that I continue to have with our members is that the findings of the survey are accurate and if anything, more so today.